The Xbox 20th anniversary is near, and Microsoft, to celebrate the event, has announced the new 20th anniversary special edition Xbox wireless controller. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos. The 20th anniversary special edition Xbox controller is a reinterpretation of the translucent green of the original Xbox debug kit. Aesthetically, the body of the controller has a translucent black finish, thanks to which it is possible to see all the internal details of the controller. We find the green color in some detail, the Xbox button take us back in time to the first green Xbox logo in back grips and in the circular decoration around the hybrid D-pad. In addition to this special body, the 20th anniversary special edition controller has all the features of the latest Xbox controller, namely better ergonomics, a dedicated share button, reduced latency, better connectivity between devices, and via wireless and Bluetooth you can switch easily between multiple devices: Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, Windows PC, Android and iOS. Additionally, by connecting the new controller to our Xbox Series X, S, an exclusive 20th anniversary dynamic wallpaper will be unlocked. Finally, regarding the availability, the 20th anniversary special edition Xbox wireless controller will be launched on November 15, 2021 and is already available for pre-order at price of $69.99 or 69.99 euros in select Xbox market worldwide and various retail including Microsoft Store. However, a few hours later the announcement was already out of stock. So, good luck on November 15. And you, what do you think? Let me know as always in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful then leave a like, share it and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.